Before we start today's lesson, let's review yesterday's sound, okay? So, can anyone tell me what was yesterday's sound? Yes, raise your hand for the answer. Yes, over there, Khadija. Yes, exactly. Wonderful. It was sound. It was sound. This is amazing and wonderful. Now, for that sound, we said that we have one condition in order to make it correct, in order to pronounce it correctly. Can anyone tell me what was that condition? Yes, raise your hand for the answer. Yes, there. Tuna, yeah. Okay, well done. To let your tip of the tongue touching your upper teeth, okay? That's mean you say, all of you, can you say, yes, wonderful, like this? Exactly, you put the tip of your tongue, okay, touching the upper teeth, okay? All of you say, yes, well done, well done. And we want to make sure that you don't mix up sound and sound because they are totally different, okay? So all of you say and say you see how they are different. When we want to say we let the tip of the tongue, okay, touching the upper teeth, while when we say nothing like this happen, okay? So all of you say, okay, this is amazing. Now I'm going to tell you a story, okay? Imagine that a teacher, okay, asks a student to answer a question, okay? And after the teacher asks the question, the student haven't answered. And the teacher was waiting for a long time. Then the student said, "Teacher, I'm sorry, I am sinking." Oh, the teacher was like, "Oh, sinking? There's no a drop of water. There's no swimming pool. How you are sinking? Oh, how embarrassing." The student meant to say, thinking was sound, but he mixed up and said sinking, which is the verb in a water, to sink in a water or a swimming pool. You see how embarrassing? You see how different meaning? That's why we have to pay attention, okay, when pronouncing, okay? We have to differentiate between th and s, okay? There's difference between and s, okay? So you don't get in a such like embarrassing situation, okay? Different pronunciation, different meaning. Well, that's excellent. I'm so proud of you all. Now, let's have, okay, this is amazing. In order to differentiate between s and f, okay? Now, let's start. You have here thank and sank. You see the difference? Thank and sank. So thank is thank you, you see, and sank is the past of sank, the embarrassing story. You see the difference? Then you have thick, and you have sick. Oh, fever, cold, coughing and sneezing, achoo. You see the difference? Then you have thing, anything, glasses, paper, laptop. So this is a thing. And then you have sing, means no. So there is a difference between thick and okay. There's a difference between thing like paper or laptop, thing, and sing. You see the difference? Then you have the word path, okay? The path to the store, to the supermarket is path. And then you have pass, means to pass the exam or the password of something, okay? So there is a difference between path and pass. You see the difference? Then you have mouth, okay? Mouth, my mouth, I chew food. Can you all chew food? Mwah, mwah, mwah. Can you all chew food? Mwah, mwah. With mouth. But then we have mouse, squeak, squeak, loves cheese, squeak, squeak, loves cheese. It's different, okay? So you see there's difference between mouth and mouse. Then you have worth and worse. Worth, when you say, wow, this is really good, it's worth the money and the energy and the time. And then you have worse, you say, oh my God, this is the worst thing ever. Okay, worse means bad and even more bad. You see? So let's go over quickly. Sank, sank, thick, thick, think, sing, path, pass, mouth, mouse, worth, worse. Well done. This is excellent. Now, let's shake our body and move to a very interesting sound, okay? So now, let's imagine that your finger is a candle, okay? So if you wanna put out the fire of the candle, what you're going to do? Can anyone say? Yes, there's Jumana. Well done. You blow air like this. Well, our today's sound is similar to puffing a candle. So all of you say puh, puh. Make sure the air is enough to puff out the candle, okay? So say puh, puh, puh. So we are having a party and there is a cake. The cake is in a pig shape in pink color. And there is a candle or many candles. So we wanted to puff out the candle, okay? Let's say puff out the candle. Puff out the candle. On the pink pig cake. On the pink pig cake. Puff, puff, puff. Okay, yes, you remember this song we have studied before. Puff out the candles on the pink pig cake. Puff, 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 puff. Puff out the candles on the pink pig cake. Puff, puff, puff. Yes, amazing. Now let's all here. I don't think this is enough to blow the candle. Can you do more air? Yes, you're doing great. All of you. Well done. And again, we want to focus pronouncing this, okay? So when we say pa, the condition is we have air enough to blow the candle, okay? Because if it's not enough to put out the fire of the candle, then we're making another sound, okay? Let me tell you something. When I say this is a pig, that means the animal, okay, that says oink oink in pink color. This is pig. When I say pa with air, when I don't say it with air, that means big ball, okay? So there is a difference between pig, the animal, oink oink, and big, very big in size. There is also a difference when you say bee, bzz, okay? And when you say pee, oh my Lord. You see there's a difference between p and b. So make sure you pronounce letters correctly so you don't got another meaning, okay? Now we have a very nice task. First, we're going to sing the song together and we're going to have a game related to this sound. Let's jump into that task.